Yes. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be telling you why some of your high life beats don't always sound as authentic as you want it to sound. So, normally, if you're trying to make a beat on FL Studio, right, you're always gonna have this default step as step or 1/4 beats. It's basically the same thing. But if you try and put in your drums in, let's say you want to make a simple high life bounce and you start with a kick, let's start with the kick first. You want to add the bam, 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 and something like that. I have bounce. You would think you just do something like this, right? I mean, it's a nice bounce, but this is not the high life bounce you want. So one thing I've always come to realize, or something I noticed when I started making beats, that made my beats go from 0 to 100 was clicking here and messing with these steps. If you change the step a bit, you get a different offsets that you can snap this your beats to. So from this, if I quantize this quickly, I get something like this. If I move this back here, this has a more nice this has a better high life bounce than the other one. So you can still mess around with your steps. You can even use 1/3 step, 1/6 beat, and still move it a bit. But if you want to get more, mechanical with it, you can go to 1/3 step and kind of nudge this a bit to the left or to the right. Let me just move this back here. Let me use 1/6 step. 1/6 step here. So you see the grids have increased, so you can see nudge it a bit. I mean, when I move back to 1/3 step, so you can see some of those stuff, they are still a little bit off the grid, like this one and that one. So you want to mess around with your steps to get that kind of bounce you're looking for. It's not every time you're going to make your beat on the step, and that's why some people also recommend using your MIDI keyboard, because once you record your MIDI keyboard, you can get that bounce you're looking for. So if I recommend my MIDI keyboard, let's just record that and let me give you what I'm talking about. No sound automation. So if you go inside my piano roll, you can see a lot of them are off the grid. But if I change my step to 1/6 step, if I zoom in, I can kind of quantize it some more and not make it. If I quantize this, I can move this one a bit because this one is dragging. But let's say I didn't have my my step right, and it was on 1/4 step, and I press quantize. So it has changed my beat, So mess around with the steps, and you probably find the bounce you're looking for. If you can't get it with the step, if I add some more melodies, it might sound offbeat too, but when you start building on this and you add melodies and drums here and there, so it sounds like it's coming too early, so I'll move it back a bit. And if you add your melodies, So if I take this to the mix to my playlist and I want to record melody, I'm going to show you that too with stepping or quantizing it to the steps, so it kind of makes sense. inside here, you can see it's still a little bit off the grid, but if I quantize it, it's gonna sound better. If you listen to this song by Kizan Woju, if you notice that guitar that they played in the beginning, if you try and play to your step pattern, you're not gonna get that same bounce. So, like I said, for high life beats, you always want to mess around your steps, or even it might not be high life, you might be trying to do something different or like having a different kind of melody. But if you don't have that step set correctly, it's not gonna sound as realistic as you want to sound. Let me just record that and so I have a nice bounce, and you guys are gonna see the steps too. And if I quantize this with the step, you see what's gonna happen to my melody. If I think it back to one of my 6 step and I quantize it, even your bass too, same thing. But bass is usually very, very easy and simple, so you might not really need to do too much with your bass, but just in case you're trying to get something high lifey, I don't know the right word to say. Let me just follow the chord progression. Alright guys, before I get carried away, I just wanted to make this short video and show you guys, so mess around with your steps anytime you're trying to make your beats, and you might probably get better results.